Good Thursday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting once again with meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather and Atwood, as well as America's Weather streaming channel. Chris, a fairly nice day on tap for the high plains.
Yeah, Joe, we got a high pressure that's building over the Rockies, and that is between two systems. One that brought the snow early this week is now moving off into northern Canada up towards Greenland. It still does have cold air back behind it. We are starting below freezing here this morning. We got temperatures around 29 in Goodland and McCook. We got around 30 degrees. We got 27 is the coldest reading out there in Burlington. However, those winds have turned to a southwest direction around 10 miles per hour. We got that exiting storm system now that's off into Canada. It does have cold air drawn down over this 540 line with the freezing temperatures all the way to Kansas City, Omaha, reaching to northern Alabama, Mississippi, and the southeast, and all the Midwest. So we are cold with a trough to our east. And then we got another system that's going to be moving through here early next week that's now in the Pacific off the coast of Oregon, Washington, and southern British Columbia. That's going to be bringing snows and rain to the Pacific Northwest today, and then that's going to dig and drop down along the California coast tomorrow and develop a big trough and low pressure out over the Great Basin as we move towards Easter Sunday. The high that will be setting over the center of the country and the Rockies continuing to warm our temperatures up. We'll see afternoon highs today reach up there in the upper 60s to around 70. It'll be a bit breezy with those south winds at 12 to 22, maybe going up there into the middle 20s out in Colorado. So we could have some fire danger out there. And then we'll see a bit of a cool front that'll dip through here for Good Friday afternoon. So today's highs will be warmer than tomorrow's, but they'll still be up there in those upper middle 60s before that front comes through in the afternoon. Turn our winds from a southerly direction back to the north. Don't expect them to be too much tomorrow, more than around 10 miles per hour. And then that Good Friday and Holy Saturday temperature will be in that 60 to 65 degree range. It'll warm up on Easter Sunday because those south winds will pick up ahead of that storm system. It'll start coming over the Rockies and then move through here Sunday night and Monday into Tuesday morning. That Easter Sunday high temperature will be in the upper 60s. Could reach around 70 again out there in Colorado. Those south winds will pick up, be breezy at 15 to 25 miles per hour. And then as we go into Monday, it does look like we'll have a dry line coming out of Colorado. Could see some showers, elevated thunderstorms to strong to severe east of Highway 83 Monday afternoon. Rain developing on the backside of that in the evenings and overnight. And then we'll have temperatures reaching to probably a high, could be upper 60s east of that Highway 83. Behind it, like we saw with that last storm system, the cold air will be coming in. So highs may only be in the upper 40s to around 50 out there in Colorado. And then those temperatures will plummet in the evening overnight, again back to lows in those middle to upper 20s. With that wraparound precipitation, this low is a 995, which was similar to the last one. So those wind gusts will be up there 20, 30, 40 miles per hour out ahead of it. Behind it in that 40 to 50 mile an hour range. And if we have snowfall on Tuesday morning, there could be those accumulating amounts similar, that 2, 3, 4, highest probably only around 8, 6. But it would be blowing again, and something that we got to watch as we go into that Monday night, Tuesday time frame. That system, again, will pull out of here pretty quick Wednesday, Thursday. Those temperatures will rebound back up to spring-like readings into the 50s and 60s once again.
Once again, that's Chris Schromick at Decision Weather in Atwood, Kansas, as well as America's Weather streaming channel. For KYVZ Radio, I'm Joe Vazurek.